Hello everybody, I'm going to talk about the skincare in summer. So I'm going to give you some tips about the skincare because you know the summers are now and it's a very scorching heat outside and temperature have already crossed 45 degrees in north of India, and it's important to take care of our skin. So what are the tips? So tip one I can say is use of a moisturizers. The moisturizers are very important part of our skin care because you know either you are outside, there's no humidity right now, it's scorching heat, and inside also most of us are in ACs, so it takes the moisture of our skin. So hydrating with an appropriate moisturizer which is not sticky is very good, and if you can add up the moisturizer which have the sunscreens with it, SPFs, and which is an add-on effect which is absolutely good. The second I must suggest is the sunscreen. So irrespective of the mood of the climate or season, whether it is summers, winters, it is humid, all the time during days one should use the sunscreens. I suggest the sunscreens which are little matte finished are good in this season, and the sunscreens which are in the form of creams or moisturizers or in the form of emulsions do help, and they don't give any sticky feel on the face. So repeating the sunscreen on top of the moisturizers is very important. The third step is about the cooler. So cool up your face with by using the cooler, the mists come. There are a lot of companies which do offer these solutions which come in the form of mist, so you can spray them on your face and it will immediately give a very cooling effect to the face, and also hydrates the skin of the face, and it's a very good thing to do in summers. Another tip I must suggest that we should use the face washes which are rich in salicylic acid, especially 2% salicylic acid, to exfoliate the skin and to clean our open pores. So you can use this the face washes twice a day, and which is very good to do in this kind of a climate and summers. Now another tip is don't forget your lips. That most of us think that applying the sunscreen or the moisturizer on top of lips is not important, but it is really important. As you can see, our lips are exposed to sun all the time, so the way we take care of our skin, of our face and body, we have to take care of our lips. So to avoid any cracking of lips, dryness of lips or tanning of lips, always use the moisturizers and the sunscreen. And the last step and the last tip which I must suggest is that the physical protection. You know, nothing can supplement the physical protection. So in physical protection I mean the clothing is very important. Full sleeves, as your daytimes you're out, try to use full sleeves, full collared shirts or kurtas for the woman to avoid any sun exposure on back or on the neck. And apart from that, if you are on holidays, you can use glares, broad brimmed hats which can add on the protection to our facial skin. Thank you very much. If you have any further queries, you can get back to us on www.drsyed.in. Thank you very much.